Hi, friend! We learned what digestion is in a previous lesson. In this lesson, we'll explore the process by which digestion occurs. It all starts from the mouth, where we have to chew our food. Our teeth, tongue, and a special fluid called saliva help us moisten, chew, turn, and reduce food into smaller chunks that we can easily swallow. As we swallow, the tongue helps push chewed food towards the esophagus. The esophagus is a long tube with special muscles which helps move food through it into the stomach. Swallowed food stays in the stomach for quite a while, where a special fluid called gastric juice acts on it to break it down into smaller, less complex substances. The gastric juice also helps to kill some germs in the swallowed food, if there are any. After about 5 hours in the stomach, what's left of the broken down food moves into the small intestine, which is a long, coiled, tube-like organ. In the small intestine, further breakdown occurs and the food nutrients become completely digested. What happens to the digested food substances or the simple nutrients afterwards, you might want to ask? Well, they are absorbed from the small intestine into the blood, which carries the simple nutrient to all the body parts. But the body can't digest all of the useful substances in the food we eat. So the undigested substances move from the small intestine into the large intestine. The large intestine also helps to absorb water from the undigested substances. After this happens, the undigested food substances are removed from the body through the anus as feces. So that's what happens when you poop. Now you know how exactly the process of digestion occurs. Can you still remember the key organs involved in digestion? The mouth, where the food is chewed. The esophagus, through which swallowed food moves from the mouth to the stomach. The stomach, where gastric juices act to break down food. The small intestine, from where simple food nutrients are absorbed into the blood. And the large intestine, from where water is absorbed from undigested food. Interesting, isn't it? Well, it is. And in fact, there's still more interesting processes that occur in our bodies. Let's go on to learn about them.